Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Galaxy Z Flip 8. So I got the Z Flip right here. Now what are we going to do first is we're going to go to the settings. Now we're going to go and open up the battery. And here we have our daily usage. We got our battery usage and we want to click on view details. We want to make sure that our battery usage is normal, that the apps and features right here are not draining our battery. We want to detect the apps with the highest usage. And of course, we can click on them. Here, as you guys can see, we got a lot of options. But for example, we can easily just put it in a deep sleep. Now, as you guys can see, deep sleeping apps are inactive in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. So they will become active when opened, but for now you can, for example, close them. You got a lot of options. Now we're going to go to background to usage limits, and here we can put unused apps to sleep. Here we have the sleeping apps. We can choose the Chrome, for example, and we can click on add. Now this is our sleeping app, and that's how we can do it. Now we want to check for any bloatware. So if we got some apps that we don't want on our phone, we want to make sure that we delete them. So if you have any games that you don't want, you can easily just uninstall them. As you guys can see, some of them may not be able to uninstall, so sometimes you just cannot do that, but you can do it for these apps right here. So you guys can easily do it. You can uninstall the apps. And what are we going to do next is we're going to download the AccuBattery. So AccuBattery can also help you a lot. And once you basically download it, you will see if you have any errors. Here we're going to go over and search for apps and go and search for AccuBattery. Now, once we search for AccuBattery, we should install it. Make sure that you ignore any sponsored apps. And now it is installing on our device. So once it is done, we're going to click on open. And once we open up the app, we should skip everything. We are not interested in it. Here we are only because we want to check for any red errors. So we ignore this one because this one is only for the background. But if there are no red errors, then everything's good. Now, if you still have any issues, make sure that you go to the authorized service because there may be an error that user cannot find. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.